Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you can you send an email in HubSpot? Let's figure it out. So first you just have to go to any web browser and then sign in your HubSpot account here. You can sign in using your Google account if you have your Google account. So once done, this is what it looks like. And in order for you to cancel or unsend an email to someone here in HubSpot, all you have to do is to go to marketing, tap this arrow facing down, and you will see these features and options. But you have to stick and click this email here, and it will take you directly to this. Here you can see all the emails that you have scheduled and you have sent. Okay, so as you can see, in order for you to unsend or cancel a scheduled email here, you just have to tap or click the message. Okay, tap this one, and then it will take you to another page. Here, you will see the button above that says actions. So, what you're going to do is to simply tap actions or this arrow facing down, and you will see here cancel scheduled email. What you're going to do is to tap this one, and once you tap this, they will ask you again to confirm that you really want to cancel your scheduled email. And all you have to do is to tap this cancel scheduled email to confirm that you want to cancel this scheduled email here. And that's it. Now, if you want to make sure that you haven't created a scheduled email, you can go back to your email option above, okay, or go to marketing, tap email, and here you can go to scheduled, and you will see that you haven't scheduled an email here because you have canceled it already. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.